Hello, my name is No, I'm just kidding. It's 11:18 right now. I'm kind of tired, but it's Saturday, and Dragon Ball Z isn't on anymore. I'll just have to wait. So, it's time for Happy Wheels. Lawnmower Man Tier 1. Enjoy, please. Rate 5, the Pogo Jumper. Let's do this. Okay, wait a few seconds. 1 harpoons. My hands were on the Minecraft controls. Nope. I don't think that would happen in real life. Okay. So you know how I'm like, oh, Titanfall is coming this Christmas to every computer in the world. Except, okay, you know what, never mind. Okay, so, come on. So, I'm trying to think. And God! And I'm like, yeah, Titanfall coming this Christmas. So, we went to, and I needed, like, the new video card. So we went to Best Buy to see, and then it turns out it would take $300 to $500 to get the required things. God, duh. Matrix easy. And hold on, loop vota plays. Okay, whatever. And it's like I need a certain thing to do a thing. What is this level of levelness? And it costs $300 to $500 for everything I need. TNT LOL. Oh, oops, daisies. Okay, I'll jump over this like a boss, get an axe and watermelon stuck in my butt. So, again with the Titanfall thing, I'm gonna sell it on eBay. Get my money back, because I already downloaded it here. There, it's right there. I already downloaded it on to my computer, so now it can't be refunded. And, so, I'm gonna sell it on eBay, get my money back, buy it for the Xbox 360, and, we will try to connect my Xbox to my computer monitor, and that's going to be quite the adventure, just like this. And it sucks because there's lots of stupid things. Okay, Fatty Slam. Hello and welcome to Fatty Slam. This level is my first one. I will enjoy. Remember to save replay, space phase, or spade phase. Santa! It's the most brutal time of the year. I chose Santa because he's also a fatty. They all look like ninjas in the clear. It's the most weirdest time of the year. Grab your butt, pull your shorts down, girl. Yeah. Okay. It's the most kick Ninja Santa. Oh, cannonball of joy. Yes! I want to actually slam him on the ground. Ha! I got you! I will save you! Ah! You did this to me! Die! No! Oh, my thigh! It's the most wonderful time of the year! Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Not now, Happy Wheels. Okay. Happy Wheels was doing some fun stuff. Spock. Fiz essa mapa para o Spock Esperoco. Okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore. Yeah, I was gonna start reading that, but then I realized this video would get banned or flagged or something. Oh! No way! That backflip though. Wait, was this a... Alright! Alright. Alright. My parents are going to town, so I'm gonna start screaming. Like a lot louder than I was. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on, Happy Wheels. Come on. Come on. Well. Okay, whatever. Oh, God. It was a... whatever. I won. What's up, girl? The Killer Pro. Ah! Okay. Segway, I'm guessing? Yeah! Yeah! I am Oh, crap, I lost my helmet. Mi sombrero! Oh, God. Oh, my God. So throw by... Okay. I think 9 plus 10 is 19. Wait, thinks 9 plus 10 is 19. What? It is 19. Is it? Have we been wrong all along? Ah! Okay. You have made me think about life too hard. You will die. And so will you. Wait, licked your lollipop and called you a flippin' dinga. Dinga? Okay, whatever. Takes your beloved Coco. No! No one takes my Coco. That sounds like a bird name. Do I have a bird named Coco? Okay. Ha! Eat your Doritos? No, Santa. Ah! No! I thought I could caught it. I thought I could caught it. No. No, 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 no. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, little girl. You. Oh, dead. Ooh. 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 Oh, God. I could have caught that with my awesome ninja skills. Oh! Right in your baby makers. Kick her, Santa. Or not. Yes! Oh, no, 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 no. Ah! Ah! Yes! You will pay the ultimate price. I killed Jesus. You should watch that video if you already haven't. It's amazing and hilarious. Guess what I did in that video? I killed Jesus. It was a Hunger Games video. It was amazing. You should watch it if you haven't already. I already said that. Oh! 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 No! Oh! I lived! Stole your potato that was flying around your room? You can have it, because that was awesome! The Destroyer by James Stafford. Okay. My saucer! My duck cock! Okay, I realized what I just said. My diet, Okay, what? No! All my delicious food! Ugh! Ugh! What is this level? I'm so confused right now. Okay. The Destroyer. Okay, whatever. Meet this J-Dog 543. Santa. Did I get Santa? Santa. When is my birthday? December 7th? Or 27th? Or Oh my god! 5 frames per second! August 12th. I'm guessing December. Okay, I should go with Sigue. Okay, perfect. When is your birthday? December 27th. Because everyone knows all about you. Okay, hit that. Okay. Okay, backwards. Oh my god, 4 frames per second. Okay, break through the glass. Like your other thing that rhymes with glass. I know what rhymes with glass, but I'm not gonna say it. Okay, what? Okay, well, your birthday is never, apparently, apparently, harpoon run, plus van run. You'll think how can Move! Move! Stop kissing my tire! Ooh, you got a nice butt, girl. Girl. Oh, you can touch your toes? So can I. But too bad I'm riding the back of my son. And they sounded like Towaska's parody. This is not a harpoon run. This is an arrow run. They lied to me. Son, it's fine. Oh, here's the harpoons. Here's the harpoons. Here's the harpoon. Prototypo. Sounds like a hippo name. When you can I go. Yes. Yeah. I love doing wheelies. Oh. Thanks for watching. You guys like service. And I'll see you later. Butt slap. Bye bye.